Hi everyone, this is my today's trade in Bank Nifty. So the reason is very simple. There was a big wide range bar opening here. Obviously, couldn't find any good risk reward opportunities. I could have taken this, but again the stop loss is very far, so I did not. Then finally I got a chance here after a series of dojis. Pure seller candle came in and I stopped shorter below this candle. The hand candle's high was my stop loss, and in just 3 candles my target was done. So I was buying options today, and when buying options we must make sure that we have momentum on our side. So I'm sure if somebody had shorted here, they would have lost a lot of premium while waiting for this, right? So in this case, for me, I did not have any drawdown. It was just straight line fall. That helps. And this is the key support area, so I covered it here. And market seems to be retracing. Let's see how much it goes. Anyway, today's expiry, so no more trades. That's it. And I hope this was useful. Just using candlesticks for intraday trade on expiry day. Thank you very much.